Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video let's take a look at Nvidia stock, and the question is, should you buy this rebound today? Well, rebound as for a day trade, sure, that would make sense, but is it good for the long term? Is it buy the dip opportunity? Is this rebound eventually going to turn bullish? Well, let's talk about all of that in this video. Now, please note, while I'm doing this video, there is still 4 hours left for the market to close. We are talking about the price action as for where it is. I'll do videos definitely once the market has also closed. So, well, now, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing, all right? Now, Nvidia is being in the downtrend, all right? We did lose a lot of structures, especially yesterday. Losing 200 days moving average doesn't make things any bullish, all right? It just makes things more bearish for us. Now, I have already showed you the structure yesterday as well, and we are thereafter I'm on the passive mode. We are still in the negative structure. Today's rebound is just a rebound. Is it a good rebound? Well, for day trading, yes, it's a sufficient rebound that if you are doing a day trade, you can trade the uptrend on that. My tools would have given you the signal. Let's turn them on, and you can see this is where, when the market opened afterwards, this is where we got the funnel bullish confirmation, and you can see we have been in the bullish structure still. So that was the long play, and then there was some pre-market weakness. That was a short play until here. Well, I'm on the passive mode. What's the difference? If you have access to my tools, you know the difference. Check out the details in the description of this video, with also 50 plus stocks coverage if whatever interests you. Check out the details in the description of this video. You will get access to the tools as well. Links are in the description of this video. All right. So anyways, now, yeah, so rebound, it's fine. It's good. However, and on the weekly interval, we are seeing a rebound continuation as well. Let's get to the hourly interval. Now, once we broke above the significant level, all right, that's where we are finding at least intraday support and rebound. Now, it's important, though, that we close above 120 and 85 cents to keep the possibilities of these intraday rebounds and turn into multi-day rebounds to the uptrend. But it won't make overall structure bullish though. It will still keep intraday multi-day in just an uptrend, but that just lasts for intraday and multi-days. We do have strong resistance sittings at this point, 126 area. This is the zone of a strong resistance right now on Nvidia. So unless and until we are not getting above it, it's not really going to start to show us that continuation of multi-day intraday rebounds. Will still overall remain in the negative structure below 126 area now. That's the zone of now near-term weakness. Let's actually quickly go to the weekly interval as well. And what I want to show you on the weekly interval is we are also on the weekly interval on the passive mode, still in the bearish structure, and this has started to look more and more like a double top, and a lower high on the weekly interval came back to fill the gap, and that was it. And we do have, with a double top and lower high, a lower low as well. Now it's all about, will we make another lower low, right? And that will be about, we'll eventually see. So, but things would better be done from the daily and the intraday levels, and eventually weekly interval would form, right? Unless you're trading like very long term, and so then I would say weekly interval would be the thing. Otherwise, no guys, anything until 126 is just technically a rebound in the near term. It's not going to change, it's not going to bring that strength that will be good enough for many days. That's where we have a strong resistance around $126 level. So no, it's not bullish, all right? And it's just a rebound as for intraday, nothing more than that. And it can turn into multi-day, but as I just went over the levels with you, we'll have to break out above those levels first. Especially 126 is going to be the deciding line at this point. 132 is a more important on the weekly interval level. We technically don't need 132 right now on our chart, as like, but I can remove that blue box over there. We, at least for right now, oh wow, it just looks so different. Let me bring that back for now. Yeah, it helps to really understand, right, the price action, all these things. So yeah, now near term 126 below will won't have any strength. It's just a rebound. It's not in an uptrend, neither on weekly, neither on daily. 5 minutes, yes. Today, at least, that's a rebound, right? So, anyways, that's Nvidia, guys. Let's take a look at, before wrapping up, S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 as well. You will see some drawings here on my chart. I might not go into much detail and depth into those because those are something I talk with the members, which are part of the 50 plus stocks coverage. So S&P 500 and Nasdaq are part of those. So yeah, S&P 500 is also just rebounding, nothing more than that. It's not an uptrend, it's still in the downtrend, all right? And similarly with Nasdaq 100, just some bounce today, nothing more than that. It's just intraday rebound. Yeah, it doesn't make it bullish, all right? Rest of the market, I'll talk about later as well. AMD is part of 50 plus stocks coverage as well now. But anyways, Tesla is giving us a bounce, but I'll do another video on that later. All right, see you in the next videos, guys. That's all I had for you in this video. Take care. Bye.